Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. My name's Izzy and today I'm going to be doing something that I should have done years ago, but I didn't really know about it until recently. I've been learning so much more about investing and finance and stocks and bonds and everything lately, and one thing that I neglected to set up when I was younger was a Roth IRA. Now, if you don't know what this isn't the video to watch because I'm not going to be explaining what it is. I'm just going to be going through the setup process and make one for myself and take you along with me. So there is probably thousands of videos explaining what a Roth IRA is out on YouTube, so I'm not going to be explaining it in this video. But yeah, I'm going to be using Vanguard to set up mine because I just heard it's overall one of the best ones, because according to their website, Vanguard says they have the lowest cost mutual funds around. They're very flexible, it's very simple to use. You can choose what kind of investments you want to make, and overall it's just really highly rated. So that's the company I'm using to start my Roth IRA. And like I said, I neglected to do this when I was younger. I'm already almost 21 years old and I should have started this a long time ago. So take my advice and start your Roth IRA now if you can, or if you didn't already. No matter how old you are, it's never too late. But I wish I would have started mine younger just because of all the benefits that I learned of starting it when you're young, which I didn't know about before, which I wish I would have. So I'm advising you all now to start your Roth IRA and giving you a heads up on how great it really is. Okay, so I took a minute to get everything set up on my laptop. I was going to do it on my phone, but the screen recording app doesn't really work on there because it's going through personal information. So I have everything up here on my laptop, and we're on the Vanguard website, Personal Investors. That's what I believe we're going to go through here. How do we sign up? Open an account online. I'm guessing easy as that. We are going to open a new account because I do not have one here yet. And it's going to be electronic bank transfer or another Vanguard account. It's just going to be another bank transfer. I am new here, so what I'm going to need, it looks like I'm going to have a routing number and everything from my bank, which I have on the table behind me in a file. My current employer's name and address. That's strange. Maybe that's only for 401ks, but I don't know why I would need that for my Roth IRA. Complete the application. Only takes 5 to 10 minutes. And confirmation in 1 to 2 days. So we're going to do retirement IRAs, and we're going to do the Roth IRA. Continue over here. Now this stuff I'm going to block out. I'm not going to share all of my personal information with you, so just give me a second here. And once all that's filled out, mailing address, I'm also not going to be showing you this information. And continue once all that's filled out. And then they're just going to give me a quick review of all of my information. Continue. Oh, now we have to set up a web profile, a username, and agree to the consent thing. So far, this is super easy. Security question, also not showing you. Oh, and look at that. It already has everything saved for me, and we are logging in. And next, I just got to put my bank information in, which I have right behind me in my folder. How will I be funding my investment? That will be through my checking account for the most part. And enter an initial investment for your Roth IRA. Is this money coming from an indirect rollover of an employer plan? No. $5. I put $5 in right now just because I'm going to put more in later. I plan to deposit my money actually later today so I can put more in. So if it's going to let me put in $5 to start right now, that's what we're going to do, but I plan on putting more in later today. My employment status, I am employed. I do have to fill in all my employer details. That's really nice. And then check all that apply. My spouse is not a Vanguard employee. I am an associated person or another person. No, none of the above. I am a control person of a publicly traded. I do not believe any of those apply to me. So we're just going to continue. Ooh, what is my income? I don't make that much right now because I'm only part-time and going to school. And what is my net worth? Alright, so we have to fill in those information as well. What are the sources of money going into this account? That would be salary, general savings, investment gains probably. Select up to 2 objectives. Let's see, capital preservation seeks to keep the original investment amount from decreasing in value. No, we want to see growth for the most part. Seeks investments with capital appreciation potential in exchange for a reduction of income and increased volatility. That's a difficult word to say. income seeks current cash flow in exchange for a reduction of potential growth. I don't think we want that. I think we just want growth. And then it gives me all of my information. I am contributing $5 from my bank account until I add some more money into it later today. And continue because it all looks great. I have to agree to everything and submit the application. Whoa, look at that! Your Roth IRA brokerage account has been opened. And I'm not going to show you my account number and all that. So my account's been open and my money is moving to my account. Your money reaches your settlement fund within approximately 3 days, and then I can choose my investments, which I am so excited to do because I'm still doing a lot of research on it. And the best part is now about Vanguard is I can go onto my app and see all of my information here. Let's log myself in and see if it works. So I have to get it all started with a text and everything apparently, and then I should be able to get into my account on my phone, and from there it's only a few dollars right now like I said, but I'm excited to get this started once all that gets in and my account actually gets set up and I can get some more money into my actual account. Okay, so now I am all logged in and it shows my little $5 assets up at the top here, and I can just kind of switch back and forth to my 2020 or my 2019 progress, and it's $6,000 that you can contribute max, and I can actually still contribute to 2019's IRA here, and I don't know if I'm going to do that or go straight to my 2021, but yeah, that's really cool that they show the whole little wheel there and how much I can put in and how much I have put in. So that's really nice, and I believe that's all I can kind of do for this video. I got my account all set up and you can kind of follow along on my progress. And like I said, if you have not set up a Roth IRA account yet, please do so. Take my advice and do it as early as you can. Something that I wish I would have done a few years ago and started contributing to. I'm probably going to put in around $100 a week or so into it out of my paycheck, and I'm just going to consider that money like directly gone. I'm not going to worry about it or think about it. I'm just going to automatically consider it money for my retirement and into my savings account because I'm only employed part-time right now, and so I don't really get 401k benefits. So I think this Roth IRA is the best plan for me right now as a part-time employee who's just contributing my own money into it. And I'll probably have another video out in the future showing what exactly I'm investing into and how my progress goes with it as well, because I know you can invest into like CDs and bonds and stocks and just general cash, and there's so many options that you can do with it. And I won't be able to do that until my money actually goes through and my account is completely set up. So that's all that there is for this video so far. Take my advice, go make that account. And also, if you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to my channel where I will have lots of other financial advice and investing and all those kind of videos and tutorials coming up in the future. So definitely stick around for that. And thank you so much for watching.